Hi guys, Dan from Mustangs here, and we are going to do a kind of a short shop tour series. Right now we are in our metal room. We have a body here that we've rehabbed. It's a 65. Guy's name is Nathan. He's going to do a big block C6 suspension with our Watts link. As you see, it's pretty bare bones. Did a lot of extensive metal work. He's got our mini tubs in there. And then actually on his cowl, we have the cowl block-off plates welded in. We haven't got done with our engine bay yet. It's kind of where we're standing at with him. Very cool build. Also over here, we have another rehabbed body, 67. He's going to do a Coyote, I believe. Yes, he's doing a Coyote. He's got our subframe. He's doing kind of a factory style engine bay, shock tower delete panels. He's going to get our mini tubs. Haven't made it that far with this yet. Very good guy. And then we'll take you over to the body shop. And what we have here is a 69 Mach 1. We just did a complete teardown of this car. We'll send this down to our dipping place down in Indy and hopefully see how much of a car we get back. Next we have a 67 E-build, a guy by the name of Rodney. Very good guy. This car has our mini tubs, does have our subframe in it, and of course our fiberglass and our billet hood hinges. And we'll take a little trip through Candyland. Another 67, a guy by the name of Vito. We're getting ready to do some cutting and buffing, which you guys probably already seen a video on this with it running. It does have a 427, very nice strong motor, 5-speed. This 69 over here, very extensive metal work, good guy by the name of Chris. This one is actually prototyping the Godzilla. This person here, Cindy. It is a 69 Shelby Tribute, not a true Shelby. She's doing a Gen 3 Coyote with a 10-speed automatic. And for those of you that are still wondering that with the 10-speed automatic, you do not have to do any tunnel mods. Another 67 here. Travis. Gen 2 Coyote, 5-speed. mini tubbed, pretty basic build. He's going to do a lot of cool stuff electrically. And you guys have probably already seen on our Facebook this 70 guy by the name of Trevor, which you guys have already seen the color. It's a black with some red pearl. Very, very cool color. He's going to do a Gen 4 Coyote with a TKX 5-speed. This is a 67 Shelby Tribute. It's not a true Shelby. This does have a Gen 3 Coyote, 10-speed automatic, our rear suspension. Has our interior in it that we painted white. Very, very interesting, but it does work with the car. And we have Cindy's 67. This one here is a 427 as well. Has a AOD automatic. Very nice interior. I do like the gray seats. And does have our rear interior headliner, dash pad, console, our trunk package. The very cool thing about this car is what's under the hood besides it being a 427. This is a 8-stack injection, fuel injection. Sounds very nice, very well balanced. And once again, she has our suspension, subframe, all the goodies. That's kind of it. So if you guys want to know anything else about these builds, you want any more additional information, comment, and we can do another video. Thanks for stopping by.